Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm super excited to finally be filming and sharing this video with you guys. I am doing eye makeup look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills featuring Amrezy's palette. I am super excited. Y'all know I'm a diehard Amrezy fan, and I mean, I just love everything about her. And yeah, so I got my new pink hair in and my pink, outfit just to play the role, because y'all know Amrezy, she's like super glitz glam, and I just thought to make a glitz glam pink bad bitch vibe of a look for my video today. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, so let's get into it. So guys, I'm about to show you the palette. This is the Amrezy palette. I am in love. I love the packaging itself. It comes in the cart like this, and it looks so clean, so sleek. I'm all about packaging. I love this packaging right here. I just love how it's like a baby pink and with gold packaging. Love that. But the actual product of it, I love this. Y'all see the glitz, the glitter, the glam. It's really thick, very stern. I really love this. I really love the overall packaging. It screams Amrezy. Yeah, I just really do love it. I love the fact that the packaging is the aesthetic of it is like to die for. It's glitter on it, and you can actually feel it. It's textured, but you do not have any of the glitter fall out on your hands or anything. So I really do love that. It just screamed everything of elegance and, Amrezy itself. So I really love that. So when I open my palette, I'm gonna open it this way for you guys. This is what it looks like. It comes with a full mirror. Like most of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes come with the mirror, so that's standard, I think. But these are the beautiful shadows for this palette. I love it. This palette is actually bigger than the standard palette. It has 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It has 16 eyeshadows instead of the standard 14. So I thought that was weird, because I was looking at this palette and I was like, something just not seem right about this palette. In a good way though. It just did not seem right. It seemed really big compared to some of the other palettes. For instance, I will show you. This is another Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I will show you. This is the World's Travelers palette. Y'all know I've used this palette before on my channel, and it comes with only 12 shadows. So compared to this one, which is the Amrezy palette, it is very big. As you can see, compared side by side, the shadows is really big, like in everything. Like the packaging, this is just to die for. Like compared to a standard Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, you can see the difference, and it is a big difference in these two palettes. The Amrezy palette is, I think, like $49, I believe. So it is a little bit pricier. I think the standard palettes are like $42, but you get 2 extra shadows. And as you can see, the size difference is a big size difference. So yes, I'm super excited. When I first heard about the launch, was maybe about 2 months ago, 2-3 months ago or something. But I just was running all around all over the place, and as y'all may know, I was sick a few months ago, so I could not film this video, and I wanted to be able to put my all into this video. So I am super excited about filming this video for you guys. And yeah, so again, I want you to take a look at these eyeshadows. I don't really want to go into too much word for word about the names and everything, but it is some beautiful shadows. Okay guys, so the first shade I'm gonna go in and use, I'm gonna use the shade OG from this palette. I picked this shade because it's closer to my skin tone, so I wanted to go in with this shade. I'm gonna use light strokes because these shades are very pigmented, so you just want to really start with a little bit of product and just build your way up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade 1988, and I'm gonna just place that on the outside of my eyelid area, like where I would basically put my wing at. So I'm gonna just place it right there on the corner eye area, and then I'm gonna just blend that out. Once you start smoking it out, you will see I'm switching brushes to blend it out with a blending crease brush, just to get the perfect blend for it. Okay, next I'm going in with a flat eyeshadow brush. As you can see, it's from the SONY collection, and so most of my brushes I'm using in today's video is from this collection, and I got that from Target if you guys wanted to know. So now I'm gonna go in with some Kat Von D concealer. I forgot to show you guys that. I'm going in with the Kat Von D concealer just to cut my crease. And I'm actually not going to drag it all the way across my whole eyelid. I am going to stop at the center of my eyelid, and I am just going to pat it in. Okay, so the concealer that I use dries pretty quickly, so by the time I applied it to my other eyelid, that my eyeshadow would be ready to be applied. So I'm actually going back in with the shade 1988 just to clean up so I won't have any harsh lines. So now I'm about to go in with the shade Anastasia, and I'm using another flat eyeshadow brush from the SONY collection, and it is a pretty pink gradient eyeshadow. It looks like a foil eyeshadow actually, so I'm just doing it in a patting motion and just patting it across my eyelid. As you can see, it's not like I'm swiping it, I'm actually just patting it on because the color is so pigmented so that you won't even have to swipe. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Liddy, and I'm gonna just place that over the shade Anastasia, and just like a patting motion as well. It's really grainy and it's a glittery like eyeshadow. It's kind of hard to describe it, but it's very loose, so I just went over that just so I could have a little glitz and glam to this eyeshadow look. So now I'm going with my NYX matte liquid eyeliner just to do my wing. Y'all know I love a good wing eyeliner. That is my thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a brow brush from SONY, and I'm gonna actually use this just to tight line under my eye. And I'm going in with the shade BK. It's a matte black, and it's a very pretty matte black, and it's really deep. So you want to be really careful while applying this eyeshadow because it's very pigmented. So now I'm going to go in with an eyeliner from L'Oreal, and I'm going to just tight line up underneath my waterline just to make sure I have no white showing. I wanted to make sure it was good and smoky up underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC45, and I'm going to just apply my foundation with a beauty blender. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is actually from MAC Cosmetics and it is in the shade NC42. And I'm gonna just apply that up underneath my eyes just so I can conceal, so I can highlight underneath this area. Now I'm gonna apply my Huda Beauty Cunifa powder, and I love this powder. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This is the shade Tan Deep. And I like to blend both of my colors, the middle to dark shade and also the dark shade. Blend those colors together and I feel like it makes the perfect match for my skin tone. So now I'm going in with my matte compact setting powder. This is in the shade Deep. And I'm going to just apply that to the rest of the areas around my face. So now I'm going in with Milani Cosmetics Illuminoso. Y'all know, if y'all been watching my channel for a while, y'all know I love this blush. And now I'm going to go back in with another Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy product. This is the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this highlighter. I actually purchased 2 of these at the launch. So yes. So now I'm going in with my lashes in the style Heidi from The Balm Extensions, and I'm going to apply those. I love the lashes from The Balm Extensions. They are mink lashes. So yeah, you should follow them on Instagram. And like I said, that is The Balm Extensions. So I'm going to go back inside that Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and I'm going to just apply that to the inner tear duct of my eye just so it can bring a little bit more glitz to this look. Y'all know I got to be extra, so I had to apply this. So now I'm going to go in with Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in the shade 20. And I'm going to just line my lips and apply the matte lipstick. So now I decided to go in with the MAC Cosmetics setting spray, and this is in the scent lavender, and I just love it. So this basically completes this look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.